Yeah. Come in Saturday morning, got back home on Sunday night, packed a bag, and didn't get back home till next Sunday sometime.
Yeah, I came in the night it started, and it thundered and lightning just like a summer rainstorm. I'd never seen it do that. And I mean, it was just hard, just super blowing wind. And, just had never seen nothing like that. My truck froze up on Middlebrook down here as I was headed in. We just left it.
You had some customers bring drinks, snacks to us, and know we've been working long hours and we've been at it, and they appreciate it.
Not having power for a while, and I can remember people talking about burning furniture in their fireplace so they'd have firewood because they were totally unprepared.
When we first come in, it snowed all day Saturday. I remember we loaded the line truck up with a bunch of arms and stuff and went to change the pole out the first day. When we got there, there was 6 inches of snow in the line truck. Everything we throwed in the back was covered up. We had to sweep it out to find the material we was going to use for that job.
I think we're more ready now. They try to plan for it, and you know, all the weather. None of the weather stations here in town were really saying, "Oh, it's going to do this." There was one station, whoever Marty Skoll worked for, she said, "Folks, it's coming, and it's coming big."